This video demonstrates how to download image by asset ID. Follow the instruction here. Let's go to the Windows machine. This script locates under the Data Management Tools. If you click this, so the required inputs are asset ID, select the bands from the image, also specify the resolution, and specify the output file. Take one as example. This is a DEM image file. So let's copy this. Once you paste the asset ID, the band's information automatically retrieved. There is only one band, elevation, resolution is 0.5 meters. Then once you select the bands, by default, it will use the actual resolution of this image as the download scale. But you can specify your own. You can put it like a bigger resolution if you don't need that high resolution image. Here you can choose polygon as a region of interest to clip the image, or you can choose current map view extent as a region of interest. I think this is in Netherlands, so let's go to Netherlands. Well, actually, a good practice is you can first add this layer to the map, and then you can quickly idea about its coverage. So this is Netherlands. This is the entire coverage of this base map. Starting from here, then we can download the area that we're interested. So click here, choose this, or we can use this map, current map view extent. Let's zoom into a very small area for quick download. So for example, I'm interested in this place. Then I can use this current map, and then you can specify the output file. So in this output file is going to be a GeoTIFF. Well, you can specify a folder and save it. Download demo. Then you can load image to map after download. So the messages will show the current status. So now it's saving. It's really fast. Load image to map. Okay, cool. Once this is loaded, as you can see here, let's turn off the base map, 0 DEM, and then you can inquire the elevation value here, and also there's information, raster information. This is 0.5 meters. Total file size is 30 megabytes. There's also spatial reference. Its original spatial reference is in this one. Okay.